Yeah. Before every session, we send you the session notes. It will have
Mm-hmm.
information like the topic for discussion, some
Okay.
vocabulary which you can use in your daily life, and also vocabulary related to that particular topic, and
Okay.
idioms that you use in your daily life, grammar practice materials, and reading materials will be sent to you.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So today in the session notes, it says the topic for today is food and restaurant.
Food and restaurant. Okay. Fine. Yes.
Yeah. So this is just to inform you. It's not mandatory that you have to go through, but just for your information. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Where are you from, Jayesh?
I'm from Nagpur, Maharashtra. And what about you?
I'm actually from Bangalore, but now I'm settled in Rajasthan.
Oh, you are from Rajasthan. Means right now you are in Rajasthan. Actually,
Yeah.
basically, I'm also from Rajasthan, Udaipur city, Lake City.
Oh, wow. That's a very lovely place.
Yes. And where you are in means in Rajasthan?
In Alwar district.
Alwar. Okay. It's very close to Udaipur city.
Okay. I still haven't gone to Udaipur because I didn't get time, but I know it's a lovely place. I have to visit one day.
Yes, yes, you should go there and you can look, beauty of lakes. There are so many lakes in Udaipur, so you can go through.
Yes, yes, I should.
You should
And what do
have
you
a
do?
look.
Yeah,
Yes,
definitely. What do
yes.
you do in Nagpur?
Yeah, actually, I'm working and simultaneously I'm running my YouTube channel. I'm a YouTuber as well.
Oh, that's lovely. Even I have my YouTube channel, but that's just a drop in the ocean. That means it's not famous because I just started in December last year.
Yeah, same. I
What's
also have started recently. I also have started recently. And actually I want to become an English trainer. That is why I'm working on my communication. I want to make people fluent in English, so that is my goal, that is my end target, you can say.
Oh, definitely. If that's your intention, then definitely God will support you. We'll also support you. So, yeah, you can tell me what's your channel name, then I can also subscribe.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so
Mm.
much, Sindhu.
Okay, you're
My
welcome.
channel name is yes, my channel name is Jay Med English Academy.
Sorry, could you please repeat that one again?
Yes, Jay Jay
Mhm.
Med,
Mhm.
Jay space Med 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 English
Mhm.
Academy.
Okay, I've made a note. I'll check it later. And okay, so let's start with the session. So Jayesh,
Yes,
see,
sir.
yeah, this is regarding food and restaurant. So are you? I just wanted to know, are you a person who love to travel and that is travel to places and have food at restaurants?
Yes, I am very foodie actually.
You're a foodie. Okay. How frequently do you go out to have food?
Right now, if I talk about right now, so actually I am on diet right now. But I used
Okay.
to, yes, I used to eat a lot earlier. But right now I'm very, very rare go outside. I go
Mhm.
out, but I don't refer to eat outside most of the time.
You don't prefer to eat outside. Prefer.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay. So what type of food do you like? Vegetarian or non-vegetarian?
Actually,
Okay, I'm unable to hear you now. Can you hear me?
yes, I can hear you. Am I not
Okay.
audible?
Now you're fine. Now it's correct.
Yes. So I was saying I'm from Marwadi family. So
Oh, so you
I'm pure vegetarian.
okay, that's nice. And do you like spicy food or non-spicy food?
Both. Sometimes
Both.
sometimes non-spicy, both.
Okay. Do you like to go out to restaurants with your friends or with your family members?
Yeah, actually I always prefer to go out with my friends, but sometimes
Hmm,
I also go with my family as
I see. What's your favorite cuisine?
well. My
You know
favorite
what's
cuisine,
cuisine?
Yes, actually,
Yeah.
earlier when I was living in Rajasthan, so
Hmm.
I used to eat Rajasthani cuisine.
Yeah.
Dal
Hmm.
bati churma is famous in Rajasthan.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Yes, yes. And nowadays I'm living in Maharashtra, as I told you.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
most of the time I eat Maharashtrian cuisine.
Okay, I see. So
Maharashtrian and South Indian is my also favorite South
you
Indian.
love South Indian also. That's good. Usually, I've seen that people from the north don't like the South Indian cuisine, but good. If you like it, it's really.
Not all the time. Sometime,
Hmm.
idli, dosa, and all these things.
Sometimes you like, right? That's very good.
Sometime,
Yeah.
yes. So you are
Yeah, because
right now you are in Rajasthan. So where are you from, basically?
I'm actually from, see, I was born in Kerala and I was brought up in Bangalore and now
Mhm.
settled here. So I belong to all the three states.
Okay. So why you are means settled in Rajasthan? Is there any particular reason?
Yeah, because my husband is a Rajasthani, so I'm here.
Okay. Okay. Fine. And what does he do?
He's an agriculturist. So he's got a lot of land. He's into
Mhm.
farming.
Okay. So you are doing a job in clappingo part time or full time?
I'm just doing a part-time job, just sometimes 5 or sometimes 6 hours. That's it.
This is the only work you are doing, or you are doing anything else also?
No, I'm not doing anything else. I think I've done enough in my career. I
Mhm.
have a 17 years experience. So I
Mhm.
think that's enough. Now it's time to just settle down and take care of the family and do things that I'm passionate about. I'm passionate about so many things. I'm a fitness freak. So I'd like to work out. I'm into prayers and meditation. I love gardening. I'd love to take care of animals. So
Okay.
this is what interests me. So job is required, just part-time is enough, not full-time
Mhm.
job.
Okay. That's amazing. And what is all about your channel? Means what kind of content do you upload on your YouTube channel?
It's related to English pronunciation and vocabulary because I feel that most of the people need help with regards to pronunciation and vocabulary. So I do that.
Okay. And what's your YouTube channel name? Just I just give it a try. What it is
Yeah,
all
it's God, Angels, and Universe.
about. Gods, angels, and universe. Okay. I'll get
Yeah,
the recording. I'll check it out.
yeah.
Yes.
So, yeah, but it's a new channel, so you may not get it through search. I've heard that some learners say that when they
So
type my name on
how many subscribers do you have?
YouTube, very less, only 54.
54. You will get. Why are you worrying about it? You will get. If you are doing good, if you are uploading good content, so you will get subscribers. That is not big deal.
Hmm. Oh, I hope so. Thanks for that. And yeah, that's because, see, I don't have much time to upload videos, but as and when I get time, I just make a short video and upload.
I mean, right now you are making shorts video only or long video as well.
Just 2 minutes, 1 or 2 minutes. That's it.
2 minutes. Okay. Means you are talk. You would be talking about two or three pronunciation of the word.
Yeah, exactly. Something like that.
Okay. Yeah.
So, Jayesh, when was the last time you went to a restaurant?
Last recently I went with one of my friends, and we went to a place in my city itself, and the place
Hmm.
name is what was ambience, and it's kind of dhaba.
Hmm.
And
Okay.
they serve Maharashtrian and South Indian cuisines. So we had delicious dinner there, and we had lots of fun, and it's all about, yeah, the ambience was very amazing there, I would say.
Hmm. That's nice. Even I love the dhaba food. It's so tasty. Yeah, the ambience of every dhaba is awesome, right?
Yes,
Um,
dhaba is like you feel like you are going, means you going in a village and you are having food like village type of, so I like that.
yes.
ambience.
Yeah, even I like that.
Hmm.
Okay, Jayesh, you really spoke well on this topic. It was interesting to know your experiences and your choices. That was wonderful. You spoke really well, very naturally, not like as though you're talking on a particular topic. It was just like as though you're talking to a friend. So that's
Okay.
brilliant. Good job. And what
Any
can you?
feedback for me? Any feedback for me?
Yeah, correct. I have a feedback. Like, for example, you can improve your pronunciation, and
Mm-hmm.
to make your sentences correct, you can complete it grammatically. For example, you can use articles. I'll give you the example, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Regarding the pronunciation, see, you said content, right? But it's content. If you have good content,
Okay.
content, yes. I eat lot. So eat a lot. Eat a
Mm-hmm.
lot. That's the right
Okay.
way of saying. She
I eat
eats
a
a
lot.
lot. I eat a lot. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Rest, everything was fine. I don't see major errors. It's all right. And I think if you keep speaking, you will be able to learn new vocabulary because instead of
Mm-hmm.
simple words, we help you with advanced words. So, like that, like for example, today's topic is food, right? So, let's discuss what vocabulary can you use instead of
Okay.
the normal vocabulary.
Okay.
Okay. Now, when you go to a restaurant, first you start with what do you start? The first thing that
Start
you
starter
start. Very good.
appetizer.
Start.
Appetizer we can say.
Appetizer. Yes, you know the synonym also. Very good. So no issue. You know the vocabulary also. Okay. So
I'm working
after
on it.
this,
I'm working on it.
working on it. That's good. After the starters, what do you have, Jayesh?
After the starter, main course.
Main course. Very good. After the main course?
After the main course, dessert.
Yeah, that's correct. However, you can pronounce it as a little twist in the D. Dessert. Dessert.
Dessert. Dessert. Okay.
Yeah. Because if you
Okay.
clearly say desert, it will be that desert in the Thar area of Rajasthan or the Sahara Desert. So there'll be a slight D sound, desert.
Dessert. Okay.
Yeah,
Dessert is different and dessert is different. Yes. Dessert is
correct.
like a sweet, whatever sweet you had
Yes,
after the dinner or
exactly. It's right. And along with the main course, you have some gravies, right? What are those gravies called as?
soup.
Soup. Okay, soup is not a gravy. You
Mhm.
call them as side dish. Like for example, the paneer matar, all those are called as side dish. Side
Side.
dishes?
Okay.
Side dishes. Okay, side dish.
Side
So if you're
dishes.
having, yeah, if you're having the roti or chapati as the main course, in the main course, you need a side dish with it. So they'll ask you what side dish do you want? Then you'd say,
Okay.
I want whatever is the name of the side dish, you give that name and they'll bring it to you, right?
Mhm. Okay.
And soup is also a starter, I guess, because they'll give it in the beginning, right?
Yes, yes.
And yeah, along with sweets, like when you go to a sweet shop, they give you
Mhm.
something spicy to eat, right? Like the
Mhm.
pakoras and samosas. You know what are they called as?
Snacks?
Snacks is correct, but there's another word for them. Savory. Savories.
Savories. Okay.
Yeah, savory. So
Okay.
when I've seen in Bangalore, some sweet shops they have the name written there, sweets and savories. So it
Okay.
clearly tells that you get sweets and also savories over there.
Okay. 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 Savories. Savories
Yeah.
will be say if we are talking single, so it would be savory, and if you are
Yeah,
talking about much, so it would be savories.
exactly. Plural means savories. Yes.
Okay.
So now, Jayesh, tell me when the food smells good, how would you describe it?
Sorry.
There's a special word. When the food smells good. For example, if the flower smells good, we'll say, okay, this flower has a nice scent, nice fragrance. So like
Yes.
that for food, what do we say?
For food, um, I know it, but I'm not remembering it. Unable to
Aroma. Aroma.
aroma. Okay.
Yes. There's aroma from the kitchen, right?
Aroma. Anything? Any synonyms for aroma?
You can just say nice smell, nothing else. The food
Nice
smells good. Yeah.
aroma. Okay.
Then for non-spicy, there's another word. Do you know what's that?
Non-spicy.
Hmm.
Non-spicy for another word.
You can say bland. Bland.
Blend. B-L-A-N-D.
Bland. Yeah. You can say when we have fever, the doctor advises us to take bland food.
Bland food,
Right?
which is not
Yeah.
spicy.
Correct. Yes. So cuisine you already know, and rest of the words are simple. Do you know about the barbecue?
Barbecue, yes. Barbecue, yes. I have heard about it.
Barbecue is the meat actually, it's actually grilled on the coal or on directly on fire. Okay,
Yes.
that's the one.
Live kitchen, we can say. Live kitchen counter.
Could be. So usually I've seen people who love non-veg, they like to have barbecue chicken. So it's roasted on the fire. Okay, that's barbecue. Vegetarian, I don't know if vegetables are grilled like that. I don't know about it.
Okay.
So, Jayesh, we have about 1 or 2 minutes left. Do you have any other doubts and inquiries that you want to ask me?
No, I don't have any doubt. It was very great talking to you, and looking forward to meet you again.
Same here, Jayesh. It was nice talking to you.